Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard first term contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2 sums. First one, fill in the blanks. Minus 44 plus dash. So question mark equal to minus 88. Here, so we write it to the question mark and equal to minus 88. And this minus 44 will come to the right hand side because given equal means this is LHS and this is RHS. So if minus 44 will come to the right hand side, it will come only plus 44. So minus 88 plus 44 means 1 minus 1 plus. First subtract the number. So 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the greater number? You don't take integer. Greater number sign minus. So write it minus 44. So answer is minus 44. Next one, question mark, minus 75 equal to minus 45. So question mark, write it equal to, here given minus 45, that LHS minus 75 will come to the right hand side, it will come plus 75. Here also 1 minus 1 plus. First subtract the number, 75 minus 45, 30. Here greater number sign plus. So write it plus 30. Next one, question mark, minus of plus 50 equal to minus 8. That means first you change this question mark plus. If you change the sign here, we have to write it the additive inverse of plus 50, that is minus 50 equal to minus 8. After you put the question mark and equal to minus 80, that left hand side minus 50 will come to the right hand side plus 50. So here also 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the number, greater number to smaller number. 80 minus 50, 30. What is the greater number sign? Greater number. Don't take it as integer. Greater number sign minus. So minus 30 is the answer. Next one, say true or false. Minus 65 minus of minus 400 equal to minus 1075. So we will check it. Minus 6675. So first minus chain you change and write it a plus sign, and additive inverse of minus 400 means opposite sign plus 400. Here 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the greater to smaller. 675 minus 400, 275 only come, and the greater number here 675, that sign is minus, so minus 275 is the answer. But given minus 1075, so false. Next one, 15 minus of minus 18 is the same as 15 plus 18. Here you write it 15. So you change the sign minus plus. Additive inverse of minus 18 is 15 plus 18. This is equal to 15 plus 18. So it is true. Minus 45 minus of minus 8 equal to minus 8 minus of minus 45. Here we check this LHS and RHS. Minus 45. So you change the sign plus. Additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. So 45 minus 8 is 37. So minus 37 LHS answer. and RHS minus 8 plus additive inverse of minus 45 plus 45. So again 45 minus 8 37, but plus 37 is the answer. So it is false. Not equal, false. Third one, find the value. Minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. First you write the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and here also you write it a positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we change minus 3 minus of minus 4 means we can write it as minus 3 minus you change into plus, additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Here first you find out the answer, subtract the number, greater number to smaller, because that is opposite sign, 1 minus 1 plus. So 4 minus 3, 1. Here the greater number sign is plus, therefore plus 1 is the answer. First you write it this one. After you draw the number line and first number is minus 3, so 0 to minus 3. Always you start with the 0 to minus 3 and see our answer 1. So this is left hand side. You put the left arrow and after minus 3 to 1, right arrow and round it to the 1. So our answer is 1. Next question, 7 minus of minus 10 using number line. That means we can first draw the number line 0, and here also you can draw up to 5 or 6, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and first 7. So first minus means we change the sign plus, second number additive inverse, minus 10 additive inverse plus 10. So 7 plus 10, our answer is both plus means add and put the same sign. So 17, that is plus 17. So first we start with 7 means 0 to 7, that is right hand side, and after our answer is 17, so 7 to 17 and put round. So here also write it. So 7 plus 10 equal to 70. Third question, 35 minus of minus 64. Here we have to find the value only. So first you write the question 35 minus of minus 64. After 35 minus you change into plus, and minus 64 additive inverse of minus 64 is plus 64. So 35 plus 64 add it, 99 is the answer. Next one, minus 200 minus of plus 100. That means minus 200, you change the sign plus, additive inverse of plus 100 is minus 100. So here both minus sign means add the number first. 200 plus 100, 300. Both minus. So you write the answer also minus. So minus 300 is the answer. Fourth one, Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? So balance. So we have to write the statement one by one. First step, total pencils. Pencils Kabilan had. That is the first step, that is 10. First, number of pencils given to Sendil, 2. So write it, number of pencils given to Sendil. After, number of pencils given to Karthik, that is 3. So first we do the calculation. Now number of pencils left with Kabilan total 10 and given Sendil -2 and Karthik also given -3. So 10 minus 2, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract the number and put the greater number side, that is +8 minus 3. Here also subtract the number 5. Greater number sign here plus, so +5. After father gave him 6 more pencils. Now he had the pencils 5. Father gave more pencils 6. So number of pencils got from his father 6, and now the total pencils had Kabilan had 5 plus 6 11. Last from that he gave 8 to his sister. So number of pencils given to his sister 8. So what is the balance, or what is the remaining? So 11 now. So 11 minus 8, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract 3, greater number sign plus, so +3. So now how many pencils are left with him? 3 pencils. A lift is on the ground floor, fifth sum. If it goes 5 floors down means minus, and then moves up to 10 floors, moves up plus to 10 floors from there, then in which floor will the lift be? First, initially the lift in the ground floor. Ground floor means it is 0. It goes 5 floors down means -5. And then it moves up means +10. So first initially that is 0, after -5 and +10. So add it, 0 minus 5, whatever the number, if you add that 0, that same number will come. So -5 plus 10. So 1 minus 1 plus, subtract the number 10 minus 5, 5. And what is the greater number sign here? Plus. So +5. So fifth floor. In which floor will the lift be? The lift will be in fifth floor. That is, fifth floor means above the ground floor. Sixth sum. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? So initially Kala's temperature 102. So after 2 hours, the temperature lower means it is decreased minus. So -2 degree Fahrenheit. So now the final temperature. Now the temperature is 102 minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus means subtract the number 100. And greater number here plus. So plus 100 degree Fahrenheit. Next one. What number should be added to -17 to get -19? That means -17 we have to add some number, we get it -19. We have to find this number. So the number equal to -19, this -17 will go to the right hand side, it will come +17. So here also 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the number 19 smaller, greater to smaller. 19 minus 17, 2. What is the greater number sign? 19 having minus. So -2 is the answer. So if we add -17 plus -2, we get it -19. So the number is -2. Eighth one, a student was asked to subtract -12 from -47. He got -30. Is he correct? So we have to verify the answer whether it is correct or wrong. So from -47 means first we take from, after whatever the number you take it first. So -47. Here our rule is subtraction. So subtract symbol, write it. And second one here -12. So write it. So first number as it is, you write it minus 47, minus you change into plus, and additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. So minus 47 plus 12 is minus 35 only. So but he got minus 30. So it is wrong. He is not correct. Next one, objective types. Minus 5 minus of minus 18. That means minus 5 minus you change into plus. Additive inverse of minus 18 is plus 18. 1 plus 1 minus. So 18 minus 5, 13. So greater number plus sign. So plus 13 is the answer. Minus 100 minus 0 plus 100. That means minus 100 plus 100. If you add or subtract 0, that same number will come. So minus 100 plus 100 means subtract the number 100 minus 100, 0. So 0 is the answer. Thank you students. We will see in the next exercise, next class.